Hello again, everybody, and welcome to sunny Savannah, Georgia, where today we're going to give you an overview of the new generation JCB skid steer for 2011. First thing we're going to talk about is safety with this machine. How we achieve safety, the first step is our unique power boom. The low slung, low load tower. The power boom, 20% more steel than the competition, gives us the ability to have the other key essential element of safety. Follow me here. Show the competition the door, ladies and gentlemen, the unique side entry machine. You don't have to crawl over the attachment to get in our machine. You simply get in the cab. The safest machine on the market, also tremendous visibility over 270 degrees, and this is much better than the competition who average about 167. So the power boom design, side entry, and tremendous visibility makes this the safest machine on the market. The new generation JCB skid steer has the most comfortable operator environment in class. First thing we did, we've given you a modular pressurized cab, no dirt and dust ingress, factory installed heating and air conditioning. The next thing we've done, 40% larger door, tremendous accessibility to the cab, 33% larger by volume inside the cab, tremendous headroom, leg room, foot room, low effort servo controls, a fully adjustable suspension seat, ergonomically placed gauges, stereo radio option, multifunction joysticks is an option, cup holders, storage areas, even a 12-volt receptacle so you can charge your cell phone. So what we've tried to do is give the operator every creature comfort we can think of to make him more comfortable and more productive. Less fatigue equals more productivity and more profitability to the customers. JCB, the most comfortable skid steer in the world. The new generation JCB skid steer is the most versatile and productive machine on the market. By the end of 2011, we will have introduced 18 new models of machines, wheel and track with radial and vertical lift. This will cover 98% of the market, virtually any application you can think of for a skid steer. We've also introduced 30 families of attachments designed for our machine, which will also give us tremendous versatility for any application. Our JCB Diesel Max engine gives us more hydraulic horsepower so you can run those high flow attachments. We now have the ability to have our 14-pin connector, our 7-way multifunction joysticks, our hydraulic quick disconnect. We have the fastest attachment change in the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, when you put the smooth ride system with this and add it all up together, it adds up to the most productive and versatile skid steer on the market. We're particularly proud of our new undercarriage for our compact track loaders. This is a completely redesigned, beefy undercarriage. We have a 5-roller system now, triple flange, much more area for clean out in case material would build up in there. But this is a much more heavy-duty, functional system than we had on our previous models. So we're going to get much better productivity with this undercarriage than we did with the previous model. JCB's challenge was to deliver to you, our customers, the machine with the best serviceability in the industry. And we've done that. According to SAE rating, our machine now has 24% better serviceability than the leading competitor. How did we do that? Well, we started out by having 38% fewer parts in this machine, fewer leak paths, and tremendous accessibility to the daily maintenance of the machine, air filter, hydraulic tank, battery isolator, fuel and hydraulic filters, engine oil fill, all conveniently located right here where the operator and the maintenance man can get it at ground level. But here's the best feature, ladies and gentlemen. We have given a forward tilting cab, tremendous accessibility to all the major components of the machine for detail maintenance. You'll notice that we have common sense grouping of the components, tremendous use of steel tubing. We've also included in this machine O-ring face seal fittings, which gives us a virtually leak-free machine. Remember, if you can touch it, you can service it. If you can see it, you can grease it. 35% fewer grease fittings on this machine, so you add all these elements up together, that gives us 24% better serviceability than any skid steer on the market. The new generation JCB skid steer is the safest machine on the market. Tremendous comfortability, visibility, productivity, and serviceability. What about value? Well, I think it has the best value of any skid steer on the market. We're going to give you a tremendously competitive transaction price. We know that we have a 20% lower owner and operating costs on this machine over the life of the product. We have 16% better fuel economy. That's right, 16% better fuel economy than the leading competitor. That could save the customer between $3,000 and $5,000 per year. And we also have 20% lower owner and operating costs because of our tremendous serviceability and reliability. So you add all these together and you have what is the best value in skid steers today, the new generation JCB for 2011.